Cooking shouldn't feel this hard. These 25 Amazon gadgets make everyday kitchen tasks faster, easier, and way less frustrating. And wait until you see number 17. Chop garlic and onions effortlessly with the Brigi electric mini food processor. Compact, cordless, and perfect for quick meal prep. Create fresh veggie noodles in seconds with the Full-Star vegetable spiralizer and slicer. Easy, quick, and perfect for healthy meals. Slice vegetables quickly and safely with the once-for-all mandolin slicer, an all-in-one kitchen prep essential. Chop garlic, onions, veggies, fruits, and nuts effortlessly with the Orocombe manual food processor. Compact, portable, and easy to use. Enjoy fresh pineapple effortlessly with the Zule Kitchen stainless steel pineapple corer and slicer. Fast, easy, and mess-free. Crush garlic and ginger effortlessly with the Kitasensu heavy-duty garlic press. Easy to squeeze, clean, and built to resist rust. Spray or pour with ease using the Yaramate 16-ounce 2-in-1 glass olive oil sprayer. Perfect for controlled cooking and dressing. Shred pulled pork, chicken, and beef effortlessly with Alpha Griller's meat shredder claws. Strong, durable, and perfect for barbecue lovers. Separate egg whites from yolks quickly with these silicone egg separators. Simple, mess-free, and perfect for baking and cooking. Keep your air fryer cleaner with these 2-pack silicone liners. Reusable, easy to clean, and designed for Ninja 8 to 10 quart dual air fryers. Open stubborn jars effortlessly with the RoboTwist automatic jar opener. Powerful, hands-free, and designed for easy everyday use. Drain pasta, vegetables, and more with ease using the AUOON clip-on silicone strainer. Compact, convenient, and fits most pots. Keep your sink neat with the Sicily sponge holder. Organize sponges and brushes neatly while keeping your countertop clutter-free. Keep food fresher longer with the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. Powerful, portable, and complete with 30 reusable vacuum bags. Save space and simplify rinsing with the Blue Ginkgo Oversint Colander. Extendable, convenient, and perfect for everyday kitchen prep. Keep your kitchen organized with this 2-tier pot lid holder. Store lids neatly on your counter or stovetop while saving valuable space. Keep hands clean and counters mess-free with the Ritoxilo automatic soap dispenser. Touchless, adjustable, and perfect for kitchen or bathroom use. Slice vegetables, fruits, onions, and cheese quickly with the Geedle Professional Mandolin Slicer. Versatile, precise, and perfect for effortless kitchen prep. Chop, slice, and prep faster with a Mueller 10-in-1 vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer. Your all-in-one kitchen prep helper. Snip fresh herbs in seconds with these 5-blade herb scissors. Fast, convenient, and perfect for everyday kitchen prep. Shred cheese and slice vegetables effortlessly with the Geedle rotary cheese grater. Fast, easy, and perfect for everyday meal prep. Cook up to 7 hard-boiled eggs effortlessly with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Fast, simple, and perfect for busy mornings. Strip fresh herbs quickly with the Luxive Herb Stripper Tool. Stainless steel, versatile, and perfect for effortless kitchen prep. Slice, pit, and scoop avocados effortlessly with this 3-in-1 avocado slicer. Quick, convenient, and dishwasher safe. Slice cheese and butter with ease using this stainless steel cheese cutter and butter slicer. Durable, precise, and perfect for everyday kitchen prep. Keep snacks fresh and organized with House Again chip bag clips. 12 heavy-duty, silicone-covered clips with airtight sealing and color-coded convenience. Measure ingredients accurately with the Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. 8 durable stainless steel spoons that stack neatly and stay organized.
Make meal prep faster and cleaner with this 2-pack 2-in-1 stainless steel garlic peeler. Effortlessly remove garlic skins in seconds while keeping your hands odor-free. It also works great for peeling carrots, ginger, and other vegetables. Durable, multifunctional, and easy to use. This handy kitchen tool delivers big convenience for only $10. Keep your refrigerator neat and your eggs within easy reach with the Wakoy Auto Rolling Egg Organizer. Its gravity-fed design automatically rolls the next egg forward as one is removed, saving space and reducing clutter. Compact, easy to refill, and perfect for everyday use. It's a smart storage solution that keeps your kitchen organized and your eggs protected. Make bakery-style muffins and cupcakes with the Veneno 2-pack silicone muffin pan. Each 12-cup pan features flexible BPA-free silicone with a sturdy metal-reinforced frame for easy handling and reliable support. Perfect for muffins, cupcakes, and bite-sized treats, these oven-safe pans make releasing baked goods effortless and cleanup simple, thanks to their dishwasher-safe design. Keep your kitchen countertop neat with the Utopleik Teak Wood Dish Drying Rack. Its 2-tier design provides convenient space for plates, cups, bowls, pans, and pots, while the foldable construction makes storage effortless when not in use. Crafted from teak wood, this compact, space-saving rack is perfect for small kitchens and keeps your dishes organized while they dry. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this 10-inch bamboo turntable Lazy Susan. Featuring 2 spacious tiers and a smooth 360-degree rotating design, it keeps spices, sauces, jars, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to reach. Crafted from durable bamboo, its space-saving design fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops, helping you maximize storage while keeping everything within easy access. Make perfectly shaped meatballs in seconds with the stainless steel triple meatball maker. Its innovative design forms 3 uniform meatballs at once, saving time and reducing mess in the kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for meatballs, fish balls, and other homemade recipes for family meals or entertaining guests. Create refreshing frozen treats anywhere with the Mamba manual snow cone machine. Its powerful 3-blade hand crank design quickly shaves ice for snow cones, slushies, and icy drinks. Compact and portable, it's perfect for parties, camping, and family fun. Complete with an ice cube tray and replaceable blades, it's an easy, mess-free way to enjoy homemade frozen desserts. Slice and dice hard-boiled eggs with ease using the KITCHENDO replaceable egg slicer. Featuring durable stainless steel cutting wires, dual direction cutting, and a sturdy non-slip base, it creates neat, uniform slices or dices in seconds. The comfortable handle makes prep effortless, while its dishwasher-safe design ensures quick and easy cleanup. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, and snacks. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks every day with this 4-in-1 cold-press juicer. Featuring a 6.5-inch extra-large chute and a powerful AC motor, it juices whole fruits and vegetables with ease. Make fresh juice, nut milk, and sorbet, all with easy cleanup and a spacious 120-ounce capacity. Get yours today for just $80. Brew your favorite coffee and tea with precision using the Anfalank electric gooseneck kettle. With a 1-liter capacity and powerful 1,500-watt heating, it delivers fast boiling and smooth, controlled pouring. Made from BPA-free stainless steel, it features automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection for added safety. The elegant gooseneck design gives you better control, making every pour-over cup easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Keep your kitchen organized with the Joseph Nest 5 Compact Utensils Set. This clever set includes 5 essential kitchen tools that neatly stack together to save valuable drawer and countertop space. The included magnetic storage stand keeps everything securely organized and easy to access. With a stylish dark gray and stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe construction, it's a practical upgrade for any modern kitchen. Turn your KitchenAid stand mixer into a homemade pasta machine with this metal gourmet pasta press attachment. Built with a durable metal design, it comes with 5 interchangeable plates for creating spaghetti, bucatini, fusilli, and both large and small macaroni. Simply add your favorite pasta dough and let the attachment do the work. Perfect for making fresh, delicious pasta at home with less effort and more variety. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Joseph Folio Premium 3-piece bamboo cutting board set. Featuring 3 durable bamboo cutting boards in different sizes, this set gives you a convenient surface for everything from vegetables to meats and everyday ingredients. The slimline stainless steel storage case keeps the boards neatly organized while saving valuable counter space. Stylish, practical, and perfect for keeping your kitchen tidy and efficient. Upgrade your kitchen with the free Winky ceramic olive oil dispenser bottles. This set of 2 16.9-ounce bottles combines elegant ceramic design with convenient pouring spouts for smooth, controlled dispensing. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, dressings, and more, they help reduce mess and keep your ingredients easily accessible. Stylish enough for your countertop and practical for everyday cooking, they're a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Make meal prep faster and easier with the Hamilton Beach 12-cup Stack Snap food processor. Its spacious 12-cup bowl is perfect for chopping, slicing, shredding, and mixing a variety of ingredients. The innovative Stack Snap design makes assembly quick and hassle-free, while the powerful processing performance helps tackle everyday kitchen tasks with ease. A convenient time saver for busy home cooks. Simplify your cooking with this versatile 2-in-1 rice cooker and induction cooktop. With a 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cook capacity, it conveniently prepares rice while also serving as a portable induction burner. Choose from 7 cooking modes, use the built-in timer, and monitor calories with ease. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for apartments, small kitchens, meal prep, and convenient everyday cooking. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Keep your kitchen blades sharp and ready with the Sharpel 191H knife and scissors sharpener. Designed to repair, restore, and sharpen straight and serrated kitchen knives, this versatile tool also works with scissors and other blades. Its easy-to-use design helps bring dull edges back to life quickly and efficiently. Compact, practical, and perfect for home cooks, it's a must-have tool for everyday kitchen maintenance. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the OXO Good Grips silicone steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Create delicious, golden Belgian waffles with the Krups 4-slice Belgian waffle maker. Featuring 5 adjustable browning levels, a ready-to-cook beep, and powerful 1,200-watt performance, it delivers perfect results every time. The removable non-stick plates make cleanup easy, while the family-size design lets you cook 4 waffles at once, perfect for busy mornings and weekend breakfasts. Keep your space clean and hands-free with the EKO automatic bathroom trash can. Its 2.6-gallon slim design fits neatly in bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and other compact spaces. The motion sensor opens the lid automatically, while the waterproof construction adds everyday convenience. With its sleek white finish and touchless operation, it's a smart, hygienic upgrade for any room. Create healthy homemade snacks with the Elite Gourmet Yefty 319 Food Dehydrator. Featuring 5 BPA-free trays and adjustable temperature controls, it's perfect for making jerky, dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and more. Easy to use, compact, and great for healthy snacking. All for just $35. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Say goodbye to hand washing with the Hava countertop dishwasher. Featuring 6 versatile wash programs, a built-in 5L water tank with no plumbing hookup required, and specialized baby care and air drying functions, it delivers powerful cleaning in a compact design. Perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, and small kitchens, it saves time, water, and effort every day. All for just $339. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the large extendable dish drying rack. Featuring an adjustable design that expands from 16.93 inch to 26.57. This heavy-duty steel rack fits almost any sink and offers plenty of space for dishes, utensils, and cookware. Complete with a multifunctional drain board for easy water flow, it's the perfect countertop organizer. All for just $40. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Nesapto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install. All for just $25. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22.